Hello, you are welcome into this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to design a simple logo like this, a simple GTV logo. So if this is your first time seeing my video, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. On this channel I drop video every day on graphic design, and right now I'm treating logo design for all my viewers and all my subscribers. So do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel in order for you to get more videos on graphic design, and you will learn a lot. So in today's tutorial we're going to design something like this, a GTV logo. So I have imported the logo so that we can see what we are doing. Don't be confused the way I placed my phone. I turned my phone upside down. That's why you are seeing it like this. So it's still the same pixellab, the normal pixellab. Alright, so let's start with the design. So the first thing that we are going to do now is to get this letter, which is G. Alright, so we go to our letter the normal way by coming to this A here for us to add text. Then click on this plus sign for us to add our text. Then click on edit. Alright, let me just remove this, then copy to G and click on OK. Alright, let's just place this somewhere here. Okay, then this, now let us change our text, the size of our text, by clicking on size. It's okay like this. Just increase it so like this. Now if you want to increase it further, just click here for it to increase further. Alright, let us just increase it a little bit again. I think it's okay like this. Alright, okay, now the next thing that we are going to do now is all this shape. Let us give it a color first so that we can unlock it. We are giving it a red color. It's okay like this. Then let us come here and lock it. Okay, now let us form these shapes that is here. Okay, let us start with this first one, this one that is here. Let's start with this one first. Okay, so we go to shapes by clicking here, then click on shapes. Okay, we are going to select something like this. Then let us resize it so that we can get what we want. We need something like this. Alright, I think it's okay like this. Yeah, it's okay like this. Let me just this thing to it. Okay, so this one, let us reduce the width to something like this. It's okay like this. And let us keep it this way. Alright, then let us give it a black color. Let us change the color to black. Click on the enable button, then search for the color you want, and here's black color. Alright, then let us go to shapes again. Yeah, we now bring another shape so that we can cut this place. We can cut here. This to your fingers, so we can cut it. Alright, so let's bring this shape. Then click here for you to rotate it in this place. So I can rotate to get what we want. It's okay like this. Just rotate it a little bit here. It's okay like this. Yeah, it's okay like this. Then we come to merge, so I can merge the two shapes by clicking here. Then you click here and then tick the two shapes that you want to merge. Then you click on this center one again. Click OK. Alright, so we have merged it. Then we look for erase color. And here is erase color. Click on it, then enable the button. It's okay like this. You can increase the tolerance to 70. It's okay like this. Alright, so we are done with this one now. Let us give it a shape. A color of yellow color. Okay, here's yellow color. It's okay like this. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do, let us create this down one here. Let us create this one. Then we come to shape again, shapes. Then we choose this one. But let me just block this one. So that, yeah. Then this one, let me reduce it again. Keep it like this. And unlock it so it will not be moving. Alright, so let us treat that one. Let us give it this shape so that the shape will be similar with this one, this first one. Let us send this like this. Okay, it's okay this way. Alright, it's okay this way then. This is just how it will be. Then no, wait, let us increase it a little bit. The height, increase the height a little bit. Okay. No, it's too much. Alright, so you have to adjust everything so it will suit what you want. I'm going to place it like this, then I will unlock this one that is green. It's okay like this. Then this one too will be on yellow color. I will put it on yellow color. Okay. Then the next thing we're going to do is now this green one. This one here. Alright, let us go to shapes again. And let us use this. It's okay. Then let us give it a black color so that we can match and then cut some part of it. Okay. Then let us go to shape again to bring another shape. Then we have to rotate this way. It will be in this format so that we can just cut this shape. Alright, I think that is okay like this. It's okay like this. Then we come to merge so that we can merge the two shapes here. Alright, so the two shapes are just these first two ones. Okay, so let us click the same normal way to merge. Okay, then we come to erase color so that we can remove that white color. It will not remain only the black color. Then you can also increase the tolerance to 70. It's okay like this. Then you have to rotate this one now like this, and then increase. Okay, yeah, it's okay like this. Then what we are going to do is that we are going to reduce the height of this green one here, this dark green one. We have to reduce the height. Let's lock this one, then that's this one. Okay, so let's just reduce the height to something, to something like this. Let me check. Alright, it's okay like this way. Can I reduce? Okay, so this black one will be at the back. Let us lock other ones. Then this black will be at the back. Just click this to back and it will send it to the back. So you can see the thing is now at the back of these two shapes. And let us place it in a better way. Okay, I think that is good enough. It's okay like this. It's okay like this. Then this first one here, I think the length is not big enough, so we have to increase it. Let us lock other ones so that we can now increase it. And that's this one. So let us increase it like this. I think it's okay like this. Then we are going to merge these three shapes. these three shapes, this one, and this one. The normal way, then just click the same way that we used to merge. Then the last one is this one that is down here. I will now merge all of them. It's okay like this. Then we have to send it to back so that this J will be out of front by clicking to back. Alright, so this how it looks now. Let us use position, and position is very good. Alright, it's okay like this. Then let us merge all the shapes now. Let us merge all the shapes. This shape and the G, let us merge them. Okay, it's okay like this. So we can now reduce and increase them. So we are almost done with our design. So the first thing that we are going to do now is to go to stroke. Let us apply a little stroke, a little white stroke. Is okay like this. Just put the stroke width to 2. Then let us go to 3D shape. Here it is, 3D shape. Then click on enable button, then go down, you'll see another button of it, this button here, of this button. Okay, then come to darken here, come to darken, reduce it to 0%. Then the depth, you have to reduce it. Let's just increase it to something like this. It's okay like this. Then you come to shadow. So let us apply a shadow. We're almost done with our design. Let us apply a shadow. It's okay like this. Let's just increase it. It's okay like this. Just keep the blur radius to 11. It's okay this way. Then now, all you have to do again is to add this star that is here by going to shapes, and we click on this drop down icon here. In order for us to select the shape, then we select star and just reduce it. Alright, just reduce it a little bit again. It's okay like this. Then give it a black color. Give it a black color. Then you give it a white stroke. Give it a white stroke. It's okay. Then you give it a shadow. Sorry, a shadow. Okay, it's okay like this. Just reduce the shadow rate. The ball reduce. Just reduce it to this 7. It's okay like this. Alright, we are almost done with our design. Okay. So now the next thing that we're going to do, let us lock all these shapes by clicking here. Let us lock them. And just lock them. Alright, the next thing is just to add this text that is here. So for us to add our text, let us click on this A. Sorry, this A. You click on plus sign, you click on edit. Then you type GTV logo. Capital GTV logo. Yeah. Capital GTV logo. So done. Click on done. Then click on OK. Keep it this way. Give it a black color. Okay. Then let us go to our style here. Let us give it a button style. It's okay this way. Just keep it this, not this. Then let us add another text. Let us click on edit. You can now write your own name, design by whatever your name is. By the graphics. Click on OK. Then print like this, reduce it like this. Increase it. It's okay like this. Then just give it a black color. black color. Alright, so we are done with our design. The next thing we are going to do is just change the background, and we can now save our project. So let us click here in order for us to change the background here. Then let us click on color for us to change the background color. And we are going to select color, not gradient. Here is gradient, but what we want is color, a plain color, not gradient. I click on color, then I check for the one you want, and I need white color. Alright, so you can see that we have duplicated this design, and they are all and they look alike. So this is how you can design your GTV logo, a simple logo. So thank you for staying till the end of this video. By next video, we are going to still treat another aspects of this logo design using shapes to form a letter. Alright, so stay tuned to this YouTube channel. You will learn a lot. Please do it to subscribe if you have not. Like, comment, and share this video. Please share it to friends so that they can also learn. Thanks for watching. By the next video, as like I said before, we are going to see how we can generate a letter using shapes. Alright, so see you in the next video.